Good morning, children. All of you, please open your English Gulmohar book, English literature book, to page number 25. Today we will study the fourth chapter, that is a wonderful gift. Gift means, children, tofa. Okay. So all of you, please put your finger. Today we will study this chapter. Okay. A long time ago, there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Benjamin loved pictures, but he had never seen any pictures except a few small ones in a book. He loved their bright and beautiful colors. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. They thought the pictures might take his mind away from more useful things. Now, children, this is a story about an American boy, Benjamin West. This story is about an American boy, that is Benjamin West. He loved pictures. He loved the bright colors of the pictures, beautiful colors of the pictures. He used to see pictures for a long time. Okay, children? He loved pictures given in the book. Okay? But his parents never cared for that. Benjamin's parents never cared for that. They think that it is useless to spend time on this Benjamin West if he looks at the picture. Okay? So they never spent money on this Benjamin West. They think that this Benjamin West, he should only study and he should not spend time in other useful things. Take his mind away from more useful things. Take his mind away from means that there are many more things which Benjamin West he should do. He should not be distracted from those work. So they never spent time on this. Okay, they wanted that Benjamin West he should give time in his books but not in the pictures. One day Benjamin's mother had to go out for some work. She told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. Now, children, once this Benjamin's mother, she has to go outside and she has to leave Benjamin's sister behind her. So what she did, she told to Benjamin that you please take care of your baby sister and I will go outside and I will come back soon. So till then you take care of your baby sister. Okay? He was glad to do this because he loved the baby. She was asleep in her crib. For a while he sat very still. He did not want to make any noise and awake her. He could hear the clock ticking. He heard the birds singing. Soon he began to feel a little lonely. Now, children, Benjamin was quite happy when his mother told that he has to take care of his baby sister. He became happy. When the mother went away, what he did, he simply sat beside his baby sister and he looked at his baby sister. He didn't make any noise. She was sleeping in a crib. Crib means jhula. She was sleeping in a crib and he sat beside her baby sister and he was continuously watching her baby sister. No noise were there in the house. No noise were there. The ticking sound of the clock can be heard and the birds singing. Only these were the two sounds which can be heard at that time. Okay? and since he was sitting and watching his baby continuously, he started feeling lonely. Okay? A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Then he thought what a pretty picture he could make of his sister's lovely face and her little hands. Now, children, here a fly sat on the baby's cheek. A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Okay? Then he thought that then he thought of making a picture of his baby sister. He thought of making a picture of his baby sister. He thought to make his sister's lovely face and her little hands. Okay? He had no paper, but he found a piece of cardboard. He had no pencil, but he found a piece of black charcoal. He began to draw. The baby smiled, but it did not wake up. Now, children, you must have seen the babies smile when they are asleep. So, here in this story also, this Benjamin West, he finds that his baby sister is smiling while she is asleep. Okay? This Benjamin West, he has no paper, no pencil to draw the picture of his baby sister. Finally, what he did, children, he took a cardboard and he took a charcoal. Ek charcoal means koile ka tukda. Okay. He took that charcoal and he took a cardboard, and with the help of that charcoal he drew his baby sister on the cardboard. Okay? The picture grew as the charcoal touched the cardboard. Here was her round head covered with pretty curls. Here was her mouth. Here were her little round eyes and her small ears. And here were her tiny hands. Now, children, this Benjamin West, he started drawing the picture of his baby sister. He drew his head with curls present on the head. He drew his baby's face with a pretty curls over the head. He drew hands, tiny hands he drew, tiny ears he drew, tiny mouth he drew. He drew the baby's face with charcoal on the cardboard. Okay? Now turn your page. It was very quiet in the house. He was so busy drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not even hear his mother's footsteps as she came into the room. "Oh, Benjamin, what have you been doing?" she cried. Now, children, there was no noise in the house. I have told you earlier, there was no noise in the house. What was the noise coming? Only the birds were singing and the clocks were ticking. Benjamin was busy drawing his baby sister's face. He was busy drawing her face. And he didn't even notice that his mother has arrived. So, he was busy drawing. Then his mother asked Benjamin, "What have you been doing? तुम क्या कर रहे थे इतनी देर से?" She cried. The boy sprang up alarmed. Now, children, mother asked, "What, Benjamin? what you are doing? He was all alone in the house. He was busy drawing the baby's picture, and a noise came, and that noise asked Benjamin, what are you doing, Benjamin? Benjamin got scared, sprang up, वो चीख पड़ा, ओके, वो चीख पड़ा और वो कूद पड़ा, ओके. So the boy sprang up alarmed. It's only a picture of the baby, mother, he said. Now Benjamin, he is answering his mother that this is only the picture of a baby, mother. मम्मी ये सिर्फ जो है छोटी बहन का पिक्चर बनाए हैं. He said. He said. Now children, we will study to tomorrow that when Benjamin's mother, when she comes to know that Benjamin has drawn the picture of his baby sister, what is her reaction? Tomorrow we will study. Okay children, have a good day now. Bye bye.